Hey, you guys, what is up? Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm your host, DZ, the Crochet Lady, and today I'm going to share with you how to make crochet button loops. They're super simple. You're just going to want to make sure that when you're making your button loops, you have the same distance between each loop, unless you're doing a really cool project where there's a little bit of attitude added and you don't need everything to be even. But otherwise, you're going to want to make sure you have the same amount on each side and in the middle. All right, so follow along as we do this super easy technique. I used a 4.5. You can use whatever size hook you have according to whatever yarn you're going to be using. I used some Red Heart Super Saver. This is Pale Plum, super pretty color. All right, really quick, basically all I did was chain 24, and I made 2 rows of single crochet. For this tutorial, you can do, just a few to see, what it's going to look like. You don't have to make, a long one. That's what I did if you want to follow along. And we're going to use a chain of 6 once we get to our chain part. So go ahead and grab your supplies, and I will see you in just 1 second, and we will get started. Okay, so when you're making your button loops, you're going to want to have enough edge to work, and you'll also want to have enough spaces, enough stitches to make the right amount of loops for whatever project you're working on. For this tutorial, I made 2 rows of single crochet, and I'm just going to crochet up to the 10th single crochet. So go ahead and make your few single crochet however many you want. Remember, we're going to go forward and then come back, so you want to make sure that you've crocheted enough this to the left. Okay, so we did our single crochet, however many you have, and from here you're going to chain according to how big you want your loop to be. I'm going to chain 6. And I'm going to skip down 6 stitches. Now I'm going to count this first stitch that we make our chain from as the first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is where I'm going to insert my hook. So carefully pull your loop out a little bit, remove your hook, and insert your hook into the chain or the stitch that you're going to be putting your loop in. Just like this. Reattach your chain and pull it just a little. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through the chain and the single crochet, just like this. Now, from here, you're going to single crochet in this chain, however many you need to cover the entire chain. So in this case, I'm going to make 10 single crochet into my chain. I'll see you right over here. Okay, so we did our first loop. Yay! Okay, and now from here, you're just going to insert your hook into this front loop from your single crochet right here. Insert your hook into that loop and the little bar right there. Then you're just going to slip stitch, just like that. Okay, that is how you make your button loop. From here, you just single crochet or whatever stitch you're doing in to the next stitch and keep right on going. Alright, you guys. Super easy and very beginner friendly. Alright, let me know what kind of value you guys got from this today. As always, I love hanging out with you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, the Crochet Lady, and I will chit chat with you in the very near future. Peace out.